going to be showing you how to install the UPA Signature Series with an extended kit onto a standard door with glass. The tools you'll need for this project are going to be an impact driver, a razor knife, a circular saw, a 2-foot square, a measuring tape, and a mechanical pencil. So the first step in this process is to remove the plugs from the kit. This one doesn't actually have the plugs that are proprietary to this kit. It is filled with paintable caulk. So what we're going to do is drill out the paintable caulk so we can expose the screw heads, and then we can undo the screws from there.
Undid all the screws on this after cutting the paint a bit. Put this to the side. That should just snap out. From here, we can just lift the door off. Set that to the side. Now at this point, we like to put the trim back on so it's all in one piece together on the truck.
So now we've got this kit, we're going to set it on our truck.
Now we're going to be cutting this bottom section down to accommodate the new kit, the new longer kit.
So what you'll need is a tape measure and a 2-foot square. You'll want to check your cut hole size. So here we've got a cut hole of 81 1/4, and we're going to measure our extended kit over here.
From here, we're measuring where our cut hole needs to be.
And we have, there, 87 7/8.
So we're measuring from this part on the kit, not the whole kit here, because that's the part that's going to set into the cut hole.
You want to go from inside dimension to inside dimension on the top. And we'll come over here. Remeasure this guy real quick. Here we've got 81 1/4, and our cut hole size is 87 7/8, because we want the total overall cut hole to be 88 1/8.
Yep, and that is 6 3/4.
Okay.
Made our mark here. Okay, so we have made our marks. We're going to cut this little slice out, and then we'll be able to put our new kit in, and we'll be done. So we like to tape the door here to prevent scratches on the customer's door. I'd probably recommend some wider tape here, so you don't have to do this as much.
We're just going to cut this notch out and then apply the door.
Here we've got the cut done on this side. We're going to flip it, finish off the cut. At this point you really could use a Sawzall or a jigsaw to finish that off, but it's a little cleaner cut, we think, if we just do this same thing on both sides.
So flip the door over, remark out your get your square, remark the door. All of that. Alright, now we have successfully cut the notch out of the door.
We've got the hole cut longer, just a longer rectangle here. Got our slice there. Take the door off at this point. Okay, so we've taken the trim piece off here. Now we can place the door on top. And if your cut hole is correct, there we go.
Right in. This trim piece.
Now, I would be careful when you're doing the first couple screws. Don't do it too tight. Wait until you get most of them in, and then you can go and tighten the rest. Door is installed, sealed up, and everything. Pet door, you don't even have to do anything with it. The final thing is put the plugs into the screw holes for a seamless look. There's going to be some corner pieces, look like this. Just press those in, make them flush.
Every kit that we send you is going to have a pack of plugs with it. Occasionally you will see that though, where the other door is. The screw holes are caulked over.
All of these screw plugs are in. Seamless look all the way around. Pet door's in, sealed up. We can hang the door and leave. So a door this size, you definitely want two people to hang it back up. It's a little easier taking it off by yourself, but hanging it back up is definitely what gets difficult.
Alright, we've reached the final step in our process, which is to hang the door. We always recommend that you take the door off with the hinges still attached so that you can lay it down. It makes it much easier. If you try and pull the pin, you may have to readjust the pins. Can make your life a lot harder.
Recess portion here, and I gotta get one screw in. I'm gonna do the next one. We'll put all the rest of the screws in later. That's all gotta do this one. Back in. Anytime you take a door off, you want to make sure that it can close properly when you put it back on. Check the lock. Check that. Works just fine. Okay, so it's all in. You can see at about right here, that's where the original trim was, going all the way across. We've extended it all the way down underneath the pet door, so it's a seamless look. Normally what people would do is put in a piece of glass with the existing trim and then at that point cut down and then apply the pet door. This makes it a much easier process. All in one unit, looks much cleaner and finished. Pet door right in the center there. We can do any pet door, hail, plexi door, Enduraflat like this one. And the dogs are ready to use the door.
And here you have it, your finished product, the UPA Signature Series with an extended kit. Thank you for watching our video.